Hello all. In this session, I'm going to discuss projection of points topic, how to draw by using AutoCAD software. This is a window. Let me change and check the units whether they are already set in millimeters. I'll say okay to that. So what are the prerequisites to draw any of the sketches means? Here layers are most important. For example, if we would like to draw the projections, we need to draw an XY line, and then we need to show the locus lines with respect to whatever the above infinite distance is given. So for that, what I'll try to do, I'll try to create layers by using layer properties. Now this is a graphical, small window what you could see where I'm going to change few. One, I'll take dimensions. I'll try to keep dimensions in ash color. I gave the color, then it is a continuous line, thin line. One more layer, I'll create, I'll just call it as XY line. The color, I'll make it white. Continuous again, that is also. Then I'll create point, POI, point. Let me change the color to yellow or green, whatever. Then this is continuous. Okay. Line thickness, let me go with 0.04. Then what is required? Locus. For locus, I'll take again an ash color. Okay. Then line thickness should be 0.05. Okay. So these are the few properties. If required, we can plan few more. Now, whatever the properties or layers created, all you could see here. I would like to draw one XY line. You have to select XY. Accordingly, you have to draw. Simply whatever you want to draw, the specified layer has to be selected. Now, let me take some questions. One, Z enter, A enter to set zoom to fit. Then I'll take one question. Let me reduce the height of the text. This is the starting point of the text. Height, I'll take a 0.5. Rotation, no. Yes. Draw the projection of the following. Alright. Draw the projections of the following. Point P is 10 mm below HP and 12 mm behind VP. This is one question. The spelling went wrong. Behind VP, this is one question. Okay. Point P is 10 mm below HP, 12 mm behind VP. Below, behind means you need to understand one thing while reading the question. You need to Justify whether the point belongs to first quadrant or second, third or fourth quadrant. Okay, now according to the question, 10 mm below HP, 12 mm behind VP. Now the point P belongs to third quadrant. Similarly, point Q is 5 mm below and on VP. Okay, this is a question. These are the two simple questions. So in the second case, point Q is 5 mm below and on VP. Means what? On VP means it is on the VP. Below represents the horizontal plane. That way you need to understand. Okay, he may not give you exactly below HP some cases. You need to understand it is with respect to horizontal plane only. Okay. In few cases he'll try to confuse the student in that way. I'll just let me keep this as capital P. Now let me create, let me draw the sketches. Okay, I'll keep this question aside. Let me draw. I'll take a line. Line can be taken directly or else you can say L enter. Okay. So for that I need to select the layer first. I'll take XY. I'll take the line. I'll draw a simple line somewhere. Okay, of infinite distance. Let me take a small line. Alright, and let me name it as this is X and Y. Okay, XY line. I took XY line. Now point P is 10 mm below HP and 12 mm behind VP. Below, behind. Okay, where do I get the locus lines? 10 mm below means you need to understand the four quadrant system properly. Below, I said below HP, 12 mm behind VP. It is the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, you are going to get the top view above the XY line, and the front view below the XY line. Okay, that is very clear. So now 10 mm below means that 10 mm below is visible from the front view position. So front view will come down. So I need to take the dimensions now. I'll consider the layer called dimensions. Okay. Then I'll take a line. Let me draw a simple line. Okay. On it, I just try to offset that line. This one I would like to offset by through. You get an option called through here. Enter simply. I want it a distance of 10. Okay. This is the 10 mm distance of the line. Next. Next in the same question, 12 mm behind. 12 mm behind means that is going to, now that is visible to me from the top view. Behind distance visible from the top. Okay, when it is from the top, the projection is going to be on the horizontal and the horizontal will rotate 90 degrees clockwise. So the point P from the top is going to shift above the XY line. So same line I would like to offset by 12 mm. Okay, these are the two we got. Let me I'll do one thing. Let me shift the question. This question M enter. I will move aside. Okay. If you want, you can move the solution also. I'll take the dimensions from this point to here. What we have given is 12. Similarly, from here to this point. This is also we have given already. Okay. Smart from this point till this line. This is 10 mm. Okay, we got a XY line, we got dimensions. Now I need to place the point, the required one. Point option I'll take, PO, enter. I'll try to place somewhere here on the line. Okay, but the point is not visible properly. Okay, so we need to change the P type. P type, enter. Then I'll take any style you can consider. I'll consider maybe this style. Size ratio can also be increased. Alright. Now again I'll take a locus option. L enter from this point till the next locus. I'll drag it out. Okay. So wherever it got intersected there, I'll take a layer called point PO. I'll place it here. One more point. This is a solution for the first question. Okay. So what I do now, I'll go to properties, line weight settings. I'll turn on the display. Line weight properties, display is on. Yeah. Okay. This is how a point can be created, projection of points. Alright. For the second question, point Q is 5 mm below and on VP. 5 mm below and on VP. Okay. 5 mm below means it could be a third quadrant or fourth quadrant. Alright. So fourth or third quadrant. Now below distance. Below distance nothing but it is now from where you could see that below distance from the front view. From the front view, that is it is going to fall on the vertical plane. So this 5 mm will come below the reference line. This line I'll delete. Now I'll take a locus. I'll try to create a line somewhere here, or else you can use the same XY line also. Anything is fine. I'll consider. I will select this one. I'll offset through by 5. Okay. So simply I'll try to go to dimensions, select the line from here. This is the dimension 5. Okay. I just need to create a point now. PO enter. Let me create a point here. Okay, sorry. I supposed to change the layer to point. Now PO. Now that is the advantage of using layers. Okay, no need to change all the time. Simply whatever the layer you create, whatever the thickness color you give, same thing will be reflected. I'll create one more point. Oh, again I made a mistake. I supposed to select the point layer, then the point option. Okay, this is one more solution. But in both the cases, I let me create again here. There is some PO enter. One more. Let me give the naming. This is the front view. So name of the point is P. Let me give there's a text. This is P prime. P prime. This is one P prime, and let me take it as P1 prime. I'll mention like that. This is P. Similarly, this is Q, and this is Q prime. This is how we need to represent. Okay, I'm going to discuss few more. related questions, stay tuned to the channel. Thank you.